Reporters surround me, asking me how I've been making all of my money. I walk past them, and a microphone is thrust in front of my face. The reporter on the other side of it asks me the same questions as usual. Sir, how have you been making all this money so quickly? What is your job? I hold the microphone to the side and whisper in her ear. I drink a cup of dishwater every day. She is shocked, then tells the camera what I said. But nobody believes her. After all, she's the only one who heard me. She's told to just tell the truth. Eventually, she loses her job, unable to get another. Eventually, everyone thinks she's crazy. Either that or she's trying to shame a famous person. The questions continue as usual, and no one hears from her ever again. Nobody knows my secret. Nobody. Oh my god! Whoa! That sounds horrible, but I think I would press it. Yeah. 惜しいよ、私。Whoa. 48% have pressed, while 52% did not. I'm not pressing it. 85%! Let's see what the internet says. I will not. Wow, 70%? すごい! And like, I can't even begin to imagine how hard it is for people who cannot do that. Yeah. So, every day I'm thankful that I can hear and speak and I'm healthy. Yeah. So I would say no press. Looks like a lot of chat also says no press. I will not. 28%, wow. And 72% did not press it. I care about you guys, so that would include my everyone. Like, each and every one of you, that's a lot of people. Yeah. That's a lot of people, so I don't want it. This is you and everyone who care about. I care about you guys, so I don't know. I would die a week earlier for Nene. No, you're not allowed. Yeah. Don't press the button. I see button. I must press it. Don't press it. No. Yeah. So I will not. 45% have pressed, while 55% did not. Close. Yeah. Love you too, Jones. Yeah. I'm not pressing it. 私押さない。Charter a luxury boat. We're going on a cruise, chumps. Yeah. I don't know, yeah. I'm not pressing it. Oh, wait, sorry. Yo. We might be able to resell them. Looks like a lot of people are scared of airplanes. みんなちょっと飛行機怖いんだね。66% didn't press it. Wow. Like, I don't know, you wanted to just like spend a year learning something and then all of a sudden you unpause time and you're a year older. Whoa! Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. I would press it. Also, 79%. Oh wow. Oh wow. No! Okay. Wait, that's such a bad idea. Cause like, let's say you're like, okay, I'm gonna invest this onto my channel business expand. Ah la 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, no. Okay, horror. Oh no, I will not press it. We're gonna play Nikki again. Next week? 2 weeks from now? I don't know. I pressed it. 54% pressed and 46 did not. Oh wow. More people pressed and didn't. Ramen, that sounds good. No earwax. I wanna press it. I think maybe this was made by a person who thinks Wi-Fi is internet. Yeah. Okay. Well, they're dumb. That's their fault. Okay, fine. I'll press it. Sure. Yeah, maybe a Zoomer iPad kid wrote this. But sure, I'll press it. See, all these people thought that it was just internet. Or maybe they're all Zoomer. I will press this button as written. Really bad. Shazu's right. I press it. 24%. Wow. By 76 did not. Wow. That's big. Wouldn't that lead you to become a totally different person if you forgot things? Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I don't need to press a button for the ability to forget things. You forgot you commented twice. I mentioned MILF Manor. I'm sorry. Yeah. It is very sad. Yeah, let's not press the button. No. Only 22% have pressed it. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. That's a big percentage. What's MILF Manor? I forgot. Me, a non-gamer press. No, what have you done? Not the button. You have your Wii U? You liked yours? Yeah, a lot of people skipped it, I think. I'm pressing it, guys. 49 has pressed it while 51 did not. That's a really good half, almost half and half. Yeah. More people did not. Time to go. Press it, become super famous as a model, and find the hack to immortality finished. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't press it. No! Only 18%. Wow. I think that's the highest we've seen. 82%. There. It's Nene's dishwater. Don't worry, I keep my dishes clean. Yeah. Alright, I'm pressing it. Yeah, you can donate to environmental companies to cancel the effects out. You'll be fine. Gamer Girl dishwater. 58% yes! Let's go! Let's go. I kind of want to see the comments. Face. The face! Sometimes it just happens. Yeah. I hope it's not a spider though. I'll press it. 71%. Everyone loves animals. Let's go. I hope a cattle gets teleported, but cattles are not in the zoo. Yeah, you become a mole person. You're probably wondering how I got here. Well, this is complicated. Yeah, I will not. 70% have not pressed it. 30% have. 30% adventurers. Wow. Dang Dale. Again. My parents use Facebook. Unfriend them right now. Doesn't say you can't unfriend your parents. I'm pressing it. 59% have pressed it. Wow. And 41 did not. Yeah. No more taxes if I'm feared. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Yeah, so I'm not pressing it. 押さないかな? No. 48% yes. 52% no. Do people realize how hard it is to rule the world? This kind of scenario never ends well. Yeah. 8 billion followers. Let's go. Yeah. Plenty of good pets to go around. Exactly. No. 57% of... Why have 43% press yes? I feel like the reason why 43% press yes was because they did not understand the question. Yeah, I passed too, because that means no chump love. Yeah. I have to give up streaming, exactly, because streaming makes me happy. So no! Streaming makes me feel loved! Streaming makes me feel wanted! Streaming makes me feel happy! I would like to live as a hermit! That one I'm okay with! Pass! I don't mind living as a hermit though! I will not! 69% did not. Nice. Sorry to make this reference, but actually there's a character in Mob Psycho who... who like had the ability to read minds, and like... basically, he got so sick of it that he put in like earplugs so he couldn't hear people's thoughts anymore. Yeah, because he got so sick of it. Goated anime for sure. Yeah. It was a nightmare for this guy. He was like, I don't even want to know what people are thinking. I'm done, kind of thing. Yeah. I don't want that either. Pass. I will not. A lot of people did not press 70%. True Blood features something like that. Yeah, that must be so annoying. Yeah. It looks just like me. That's me chugging gamer subs. I will not press the button. 56 people have pressed the button? 56%? What? These people are weird. He'll be fine. He'll be okay. No. I'm pressing it. Winner of this one unlocks the rule with fear button. No! Oh god. Now we're screwed. There's a guy in Record of Ragnarok with that backstory. They probably took it from Angry Mayu. No, I'm big sad now. Time to buy 7 waifu graphics card. That my whole family chat ignored me. The only one who responded was my dad, who said, of course it is. I said it's an anime girl graphics card, and he said, of course it is. Ow. That's so funny. You can buy out of stock kawaii merch. Yeah. You can get responses in an hour, but you have to pay the shipping. That sounds pretty convenient. Yeah. Get a free Lamborghini for $200. Yeah, tough crowd. He knows me. He's proud. Yeah. But yeah, I'm pressing it. Osuwa. The face when your parents have accepted your weep. He's like, yeah, I'm from the clouds. I'm from the clouds. Nene's from the clouds. So, crazy de gozaimasu. Anyways, I'm not pressing this button. See, it's all have a good night's sleep. 47% have pressed it. Wow. Just let me sleep. Just let me sleep. Sounds like a popular anime I've seen once. Yeah, right? I will not. 7-time loop. No, please. I will not. All you need is skill. Oh, Edge of Tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Tom Cruise made a movie based off of it. Bro, Tom Cruise makes a movie based off on everything. Tom Cruise loves to make movies. I swear, I watch a movie and then at the end it's like Tom Cruise. There's no benefit. Why would you press this? Why? I don't know. I don't know. I don't get it. Legally distinct invincible. Where's the upside? Literally any alien thriller movie. We don't need them for progress. Screw them. It's so objective. It really is. Yeah. Mark Ruffalo is a good actor. Anyways, I'm skipping this. Mark Buffalo. Nah, skip. Why do 62 people want to join the Avengers? I don't understand. Final question, skip. Let's go. Oh boy, here she is. That's real 3D right there. Oh boy. Hi. Cutie sleep paralysis demon. She cute. She out to get you. Idol-da. And then for all seasons, the whole gang is here. Minna sorotta, sorotta. Ma. Idol bean. Those baby calves are gonna make me turn vegan. No meat. I love meat. Why are there so many nenes? That's why aren't there so many nenes? Why is there not more nenes? No overdosing on nene. Yeah, healthy dose. Tansy gang, tansy gang, tansy gang. I'm stuck. And also, you had to stuck with my nerd ramblings. just real quick. I have something nerdy to show you. I already posted it on Twitter. But I really like this visual novel called Umineko no Naku Koro ni, and I made a shelf. これ作ったの。コレクションですよ。Yeah, I made a shrine. Do you like it? そう。The collection. 可愛くないですか? Yeah. Yeah, I love Umineko. Very cute. Thank you. Yeah, don't go anywhere. よくないですか? And a little bit of higurashi. Looking good, adorable. Thank you. A big fan, big fan. Ba 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 ba. Angel power. Tenshi beam. Ba 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 ba. Angel love to you. Ba 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 ba.